Welcome to this video. This is for all the users of my lead management sheet, the Lite version. So if you're already using the LMS Lite version, or if you've downloaded it, or if you plan to download it to use it, this video is for you. In this video, since after users download the lead management sheet Lite version, a lot of the people reach out to me via email. Some send me a text message or a WhatsApp message, or some fill up a form on my website on how to customize the lead management sheet. Because in the lead management sheet, we have drop downs and certain fields which are mostly universally applicable, but every business has their own requirements, and you may want to customize a few options. And although this sheet has been made by me and myself, a very beginner or a little above the beginner level in terms of Excel usage, but yeah, a lot of people still are not familiar with how to change a few things here and there. Hence the need for this video on how to customize the lead management sheet. So I'll get started before a lot of delay. I'll just show you all the options that you can use to customize the lead management sheet for your requirements. So I have a sample lead management sheet here with some data pre-filled. So as you would know, the first is the lead tracker, where you actually have details of all the leads. So here it's simple. You don't need to customize here. In case if you want to, for example, remove a certain field. For example, I have options for country, state, city. You may not want state, city, or country. You could just delete the column. That's pretty simple. Right click and delete. That would not change anything. We have a lead owner column here, designation, email, phone. So these are standard fields which everybody needs. You may want to change the lead source. Lead status would remain hot, warm, cold, no changes there. You may want to change the options in the lead staging. And here in the lead LMS Lite version, we do not have a drop down or a validation for lead owner. So what if you want to add a validation here? So the lead tracker sheet is the input to our dashboard sheet, where we get all the reports, month-on-month reports, and overall summary. For example, here we have 17 leads so far, 4 leads won, 3 leads lost, 23%, 23.53 is the conversion rate. So these are formulas which are there pre-built. This is the dashboard sheet. Then you have the staging-wise report, and then you have the source-wise report. Now, the drop-down sheet is where you have the inputs for the validation. So suppose if you want to first create another drop-down list for the lead owner. So what you need to do is first select the header. So lead underscore owner. It could be anything, any customized, but this is a standard format here. As you could see, lead underscore source, lead underscore status, lead underscore stage. We'll follow the same nomenclature here. So we select lead underscore owner and add the names of all the sales reps or BD executives that you have. So here, let's say I am one of the sales reps, Nitesh. We may have, say, Anjali, and we may have, let's say, Yusuf. So we have 3 sales reps. You may have 4, 5, 6. So now what you need to do is select the names of all the sales reps. Go to formulas, go to define name, click on define name, and lead underscore owner becomes the name of this name range. So lead underscore owner, click on OK. So now you have defined a new named range. If you go to name manager here, you could say that you've just added lead underscore owner while the other options are already there. So now what you need to do is go to the lead tracker. Here, select the table, go to home, go to data, go to validation, data validation, select list, and equal to the name of the range, which is lead underscore owner. Click OK, and now you have your validation ready. So if you see now, we have a drop down. So Nitesh, Anjali, Yusuf. So now I can select the name of the sales rep using a drop down. This is how you can create a validation for the lead owner. Second, if you want to change the options for your lead source and lead stage. So here in lead source, I have referral, email, telecalling, website, social. So just go ahead, maybe you want to remove unknown and you may want to add walk-in. For example, you have walk-in customers. So change it. And once you do that, since you have not added a new entry, you don't need to change the name range. If you go to the lead tracker, let's go to the lead source. Yes, lead source. So now you can see you have walk-in here because you have the same number of options, hence the name range need not be changed. But in case if you would add another option here, anything else, I'm just saying another, what you need to then do is go to formulas, go to name manager, select your lead source, click on edit, and here you have up to B14, but now it's already taken up to B14 because you've edited it. So it's okay. Earlier it was only up to B13. So what you can do is you can, just to be sure, remove everything here and select the entire range. Once you do that, you will see that in the drop down option there, you would have option till another. That's how it works. It's simple. You can go ahead and you can change the names. So if I want to remove it again, I'll again go to name manager. I'll go to lead source. I'll edit it. And since it's already taken as lead source, it would work. So close. I go to lead tracker. And here, if you see, the option has been removed. So that's how you can customize your drop-down options. Now, if you go to dashboard, in the lead source, you could see it's still showing as unknown. So here you could just either manually type in walk-in, or you can just copy the values from there and paste values here. So Control C for copy, go to dashboard, home, go to paste special values. This is to ensure the formatting for the dashboard report does not get changed. So that's pretty simple. Similarly, you could go ahead and change the options for your lead staging. For example, if I want to remove on hold and I want to add drop, for example, there may be certain deals which come to you and you start talking to the client and you realize that this is not something that fits into your service or product portfolio. So you may drop the lead. So I will just add drop here. Since again, we have not added any new cell, we've not changed the number of options, the validation would get updated automatically. You just need to go to the dashboard, go to the stage report. Go to the stage report, and instead of on hold, put drop. Now that becomes 0 because there in the lead tracker, we have on hold. So we need to change this to drop. And you would have the reflection here in the dashboard sheet. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. You just need to go ahead and customize the options. So the options to customize are lead source, lead status, lead stage. As I said, you may want to add a lead owner here, and that would take care of it. You could go ahead and then get the options here. Dashboard sheet is as it is. You don't need to change much. In case if you want to add maybe formatting, to review your things, for example, here you know that, okay, in terms of month, I've just zoomed it out for it to be easy. Let me just zoom back in to get the entire table view. Yeah, so here if you see, month of April, your revenue was 1,74,000, May was 1,34,000, June 93,000. So it's easier to tell which month the revenue was highest. But in case if you still want a visual representation, select the entire row, go to conditional formatting, go to data bars and select the color that you like, blue, orange, green. Let's go with orange here. Now, as you do that, you could see that you have a color formatting here to just give you a visual view of which month you had the highest revenue. So it's easy to customize, nothing very difficult, easy options. A lot of people ask me to tell how to customize it. Under important thing, before you start customizing, the sheets are protected. So once you go to review, I'll just protect it again, protect sheet. Okay, now this is what you get. So before you start to customize any of the sheets, just click on review and click on Unprotect Sheet. There's no password. It's just been done so that accidentally you don't delete any formulas. So before you have to customize or edit anything, what you need to do is you need to click on the review tab and then click on Unprotect Sheet for every sheet that you want to customize. That's how it is. Fairly simple to go ahead and customize the sheet as per your own options. Add your lead owner names. If you want to change the drop-down options for source, stage, or you can go ahead and do that. You can add conditional formatting as I've just shown you. So pretty simple. You can add more reports here. It's not very difficult to do that. Now, in case if you want an upgraded version of the lead management sheet, I also have a lead management sheet pro version, which has certain additional reports. It has a target versus actual view. It has an individual dashboard for team performance. For example, here we have 2 or 3 team members. So if you want to check the individual performance, the pro version also has a team dashboard and performance summary. So go ahead. Here you have a link to upgrade. Here you have a link to check the pro version. So just go ahead and check the pro version. If you think that makes sense for you to upgrade, the process is the same. There's a download link. Click on the download link and download the pro version. If you're happy using the Lite version, if it suffices what you need, you keep using it. I'm very happy that more and more people are downloading the lead management sheet Lite version, using it. I've been getting feedback. In case if you have any feedback for me, any queries, any suggestions, you can email to me. You can write in the comment section below. Use this video tutorial to customize the sheet if you have to. But still, if you have any questions, if you want more information, feel free to write in the comment section and I will respond within 24 hours to your comments. And if there are too many comments, too many requests for some additional features, I'll make another video to give you a step-by-step tutorial. So thank you for using my lead management tracker. Thank you for watching the video. Just go ahead and if you can, please subscribe to my channel and see you in my other videos. Take care, be safe.